Good evening, everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about drainage from Geography Class 9. So, when we enter into this topic, we need to understand few concepts for better understanding. It is, you should know what is the meaning of drainage, what is drainage basin, and what is water divide. Drainage is nothing but river system of an area. Drainage basin is the area drained by a single river system. You can just see the pictures for better understanding. You can see the tributaries of Indus River, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej, Beas. These are small rivers. They flow from different directions and they join the main river, that is River Indus. So this entire river system is called as drainage basin. And you can even look into the second picture. We have Ganga River. Ganga is the main river, and you can see many tributaries, that is small rivers from different direction. They flow and join the main river, that is Ganga. So this entire river system is called drainage basin. Okay, so I hope you all understood what is drainage basin. The next one is water divide. You can understand water divide with the help of third picture. Okay, you can see river Indus, which is a drainage basin, and again Ganga river, which is a drainage basin. And in the middle, you can see a place called Ambala. Okay, it is an upland, or we can say elevated area. So this elevated area or upland that divides two drainage basin. So this is called as water divide. So I hope you all understood what is drainage, drainage basin and water divide. So in this chapter, what you are going to actually learn? Okay, we are going to learn the river system of India. The river system of India is classified into two types, Himalayan river system and the peninsular river system. Example of Himalayan river system or the Indus River, the Ganga River, the Brahmaputra River. And examples for Peninsula River or Narmada River, Tapi River, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna. So in this chapter, you will discuss about these rivers in detail. So before we enter into these river system, we need to know what is Himalayan rivers and what is peninsular rivers. For your exam, they may even ask you to write the difference between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Here you can see the first point. These rivers are perennial in nature. Perennial means the flow of river can be seen throughout the year. But in peninsular rivers, they say they are seasonal in nature. They dry up during the summer season because they depend on rainfall. And Himalayan rivers, they flow with full speed from the Himalayan mountains, so it causes erosional activity. At the same time, if you look into Peninsula River, they cause, or we could see, less erosional activities. Okay, and then Himalayan rivers, third point, these rivers are meandering. These rivers are straight. What is this meandering? Okay, so Himalayan rivers form meanders. You can see this first picture. You can see a snake-like structure. So this is called as meanders. Okay, meanders are formed only by the Himalayan rivers. But peninsular rivers, they will flow straight. Next point is these rivers originate from the Himalayas. Peninsula rivers originate from small hills and plateaus. And Himalayan rivers are very much helpful for irrigating the northern plains. We all know that northern plains are very fertile plains, and agriculture is carried out over there, and Himalayan rivers are used for irrigation purpose. On the other hand, peninsular rivers, They are used for irrigating the agricultural land that is present in the Deccan Plateau. Sixth point is Himalayan river basins are very fertile because throughout the year you can see the flow of water. Peninsula rivers are not very much fertile because during the summer season they dry up. Okay. And then the seventh point is these rivers cover a very long distance. On the other hand, Peninsula River cover a shorter distance. You can understand again this with this image. You can see Peninsula rivers, Narmada River, Godavari River, Krishna, Kaveri. You can see the length of the river. And again in the Himalayan river picture, you can see the length of Indus River and the Ganga River. When we compare the length of Peninsular and Indus River, Himalayan rivers are longer. Okay, so that is what the point states. And the last point is the example. Okay, example of Himalayan rivers are Indus River, Ganga River, Brahmaputra River, and Peninsula River. It is Narmada River, Tapi River, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. So, I hope you all understood the difference between Himalayan rivers and Peninsula rivers. We will discuss about the Himalayan rivers one by one in the next video.